Itchy penis. If you have an itchy penis, then you've got my deepest sympathy. But let me say first of all, if you've been sexually active in any way, then you should go to your doctors or your local sexual disease clinic just to be on the safe side. But the chances are you're fine, because in the 25 years that I've been treating men with itchy penis symptoms, 97% of the time, it's nothing but a fungal infection, and I can treat that very easily indeed. You can get rid of your itchy penis usually within a week. Now, many men are embarrassed about this problem, but there's nothing to be embarrassed about. It's simple and easy to treat without drugs. There's a natural remedy for this, and it might be of interest to you. So please, if you want to know more about this itchy penis remedy that's specifically designed to get rid of your itchy penis fast, then click the link below this video. Thank you very much.